Welcome back to the vlog. I'm babysitting today. Well, really, I'm gonna try to help the guys, hopefully win. So Mikey and Anthony, both on opposite sides of the brackets. They could bowl for the title. That's the goal. Whatever we can contribute, we will. Mikey qualified first at plus 400 and a lot. Anthony qualified third at plus 300 and a lot. And I missed the cut at plus 100 and not enough. Not gonna think too much of it. We're just gonna move forward, figure out what we can do better for next time. But yeah, let's help these guys win a title. Got one zip for Mikey, 259 to 190 something, I think. Anthony doubled in the 10th for 230, forced his opponent to mark. He's gonna lose 250 to 230, so he's been bowling really good this weekend. So if he does the right things, I think his chances are pretty good, but you never know when scores are this high, anything could happen. Mikey needs the first hit in the 10th for the W to move on to the round of 8s. Anthony needs some help, but he needs to get the rest of them. So he can punch out for 256. Gohagan can shoot 280 with 2 frames to go. So we need Mikey to get this win. That'll get him into the PTQ for the TOC, and it really sucks not being able to bowl that tournament as a full-time professional because it's triple points. And you'll lose out on a lot there. It's a good run, man.
Oh, good run.
Not a whole lot you can do when your opponent bowls 530.
Yeah, just got it done back to me from Friday, but
it's tough too when you bowl a left-hander because you're not really playing the same game, but at the same time there were only one of you per side, so
yeah, it's kind of even. You know, he's got his own side, I've got my own side. Can't really complain.
It's kind of fair.
It is kind of fair,
but it was a good weekend.
Yeah, it was a good weekend.
Building blocks.
Yeah, physically just couldn't throw it slow enough.
You add the throw it slower, and I got to add the hit it harder.
I'll trade you. I'll trade you a little bit.
We're heading into the round of 8. Mikey is still alive. He's bowling DO. I think Mikey's gonna need his striking shoes, but it is a best of 3, I think, still. Anything can happen.
15 minutes of fame. Won't let a damn thing get in the way. I've been ready for my close-up, Mr. DeMille. Make sure the pistol is still at the end of the day. Shoot for the stars, think I got one. Taking flight like Top Gun. Hot sun sizzling, turning thoughts into popcorn. Every song's a movie when I drop one. They ain't got no options but to watch them. On top of the world, on top of the globe. The top of the food chain, but still on the low. On top of the world, on top of the world. I'm on top of the world. Better get ready, I'm coming for it all. Better get ready, up against the wall. Better get ready, get ready, get ready. You ready or not?
Mikey's gonna fall 0-1 after the first game. Dio shot 279, wrapped at 10 kind of early. Mikey wrapped at 7. Mikey wrapped a couple of 10 pins early, and he's bowling 260, so he's gonna lose by a hit. It's legitimately looking like a carry contest, so hopefully Mikey can string some to win the next 2 games and move on to the round of 4, but as of right now, it's really gonna be whoever's striking more, so we'll see.
On top of the world, on top of the globe, the top of the food chain, we're still on the low. On top of the world, on top of the world, I'm on top of the world. Better get ready, I'm coming for it all. Better get ready, up against the wall. Better get ready, get ready, get ready. You ready or not? Better get ready, I'm coming for it all. Better get ready, up against the wall. Better get ready, get ready, get ready. You ready or not? Won't stop, never did. Don't stop, never quit. Won't stop, never did, never will. So you kids better chill, for real. Won't stop, never did. Don't stop, never quit. Won't stop, never did, never will. So you kids better chill, for real.
Get ready.
Better get ready, get ready, get ready. You ready or not?
1-1. Dio's ball reaction is getting a little shaky. Just
So,
gotta do you.
yeah, I'm still assuming I need 300. Though,
Yeah,
so.
yeah.
This guy's had 4 games over 278.
You ever feel like you wanna stop? You ever been close to the top? You ever looked at your past and kept moving forward and never looked back? It's a hard knock life, full of sacrifice. It's the only way to live when you know the price. It's the only way to move when you know it's right. It's the only way I know to fight the good fight. Yeah, and I done been through it all. Stood tall with my back against the wall, lost it all and got it back and answered my call to the light from the dark, to healing a broken heart. Never give up, you gotta see the future in the bigger picture. This is the fight of your life, you're looking in the mirror, and the belief that you have will help you see it clearer. This is your moment of clarity, it gets no realer.
I'ma keep fighting, I will hold my ground. I'ma keep fighting, ain't nobody ever gonna hold me down. I'ma keep fighting, I will hold my ground. I'ma keep fighting all the way down.
All the way down to my very soul, and down to my last bone. To my very last breath, I'ma keep on. I'ma stay hungry, I'ma stay strong. I'ma keep fighting, I'ma hold on. Stay driven, push my line till that line's crossed. Hard work every day, no days off. Yeah, and pay it forward till it pays off. I'm down in the trenches with a mission. I'm running miles, no towels for the blood and the sweat. Just a heart full of fight and a soul full of vengeance. I'm full of hope, no time for regret. I'm a champion, and I reign supreme. This is my time, crown me king. I'm a legend, and I reign supreme. This is my time, and I'm living my dream.
Well, looks like the dream's gonna end there. Ball's just going a little too deep on the right lane. Couldn't get to the pins the right way. And he is bowling Dio. Dio's had a really good book all day, so you never know what's gonna happen. And you gotta have a lot of things go the right way. And, on to the next one, he's just gonna have to win one on the big tour if he wants to blow TOC. So hopefully that happens, because that would be really cool.